Last year in Houston, a Silverado owner walked into his Chevy dealership for a routine oil change and walked out $1,200 poorer. He paid for a transmission adaptive relearn, a Dexos oil service, and an engine induction cleaning. Not one of those 3 services was necessary. 2 of them were free under GM policy, and 1 was a procedure his truck does automatically in 15 minutes of normal driving. He had no idea, and neither do most Chevy owners sitting in that service waiting room right now. A recent industry report found that over 50% of car owners have been pushed into repairs they did not need, and over a third were overcharged for parts they never received. Today, I am exposing the 7 biggest Chevy dealership scams happening right now in 2026, including the one with a $5,000 quote and a $30 fix that GM does not want you knowing about. Let's go. Scam number 1. The GM TSB free repair Build AS paid service. This scam involves a document most Chevy owners have never heard of, a Technical Service Bulletin, or TSB. GM regularly issues these to address known issues on specific Chevrolet vehicles, covering software calibrations, infotainment fixes, transmission shift quality corrections, and engine hesitation repairs. When a TSB applies to your truck and your vehicle is within the covered mileage or still under warranty, GM pays the dealership to perform that repair. To you, it costs nothing. But here's what some dealerships do. They diagnose the exact problem the TSB covers, perform the exact repair the TSB covers, and charge you for it anyway. On your invoice, it appears as an ECU reprogramming fee, a calibration service, or a powertrain software update. It looks technical. Most owners pay without a second thought. On Chevrolet trucks, the most commonly billed TSB repairs include transmission shift quality software updates on 8-speed and 10-speed automatics, FM and DFM calibration updates on 5.3 and 6.2-liter V8 engines, and infotainment connectivity fixes across the Silverado, Tahoe, Suburban, and Equinox. Each of these, when covered by an active TSB on your specific vehicle, should cost you $0. Before any service visit, go to my.chevrolet.com, enter your VIN, and check for open recalls and service campaigns. You can also call GM customer service directly and ask if there are any active coverage programs on your vehicle. When you arrive at the dealership, ask whether the issue you came in for is covered under a TSB before you authorize any paid repair. A reputable advisor tells you immediately. One that charges you anyway is collecting GM's reimbursement and yours simultaneously. The next scam targets every 5.3 owner on the road today. Scam number 2, the AFM lifter tick upsell. If you drive a Silverado, Tahoe, Suburban, or any Chevy with a 5.3 or 6.2 V8 built after 2007, this scam is aimed directly at you. You come in for a routine service, and the advisor tells you they are hearing a tick from your engine. The quote comes back $3,000 to $5,000 for a lifter replacement that involves pulling the intake and accessing the entire valve train. Here is what they do not tell you. That tick, in most cases, is not a failed lifter. It is the AFM system cycling on and off during normal operation. The system that deactivates 4 cylinders at light load to save fuel creates oil pressure fluctuations that produce exactly that tapping sound. Nothing has failed. The fix for most owners experiencing this symptom costs between $30 and $80. A plug-in AFM disabler connects to your OB2 port and keeps the engine in 8-cylinder mode at all times. No more pressure fluctuation. No more tick. Many owners report it disappearing within minutes of installing it. AFM lifters do genuinely fail on some engines. When they do, the symptoms are more severe than a light startup tick. You will see a check engine light with misfire codes, roughness under acceleration, and documented oil consumption that was not there before. A light idle tick quoted at $5,000 without codes, without a cylinder drop test, and without documented consumption data is not a diagnosis. It is a sales pitch. Ask for the diagnostic codes in writing. Ask for proof of which specific lifter has failed and how that determination was made. If the advisor cannot produce that, walk out and get a second opinion. The next scam happens quietly on the service line while you are in the waiting room. Scam number 3. The Dexos oil bait AND switch. This one happens while you are sitting in the waiting room, and you will never know it occurred unless you ask the right question before the service starts. Your Chevrolet's engine was designed around GM's Dexos 1 Gen 2 oil specification. That is not a marketing label. It is a genuine engineering requirement, particularly critical on FM and DFM engines where oil cleanliness directly affects the precision pressure cycling that keeps lifters functioning correctly. Here is the scam. You pay for a full synthetic oil change. The invoice reads full synthetic oil. But Dexos 1 Gen 2 certification is not the same as full synthetic. A service center running bulk oil to reduce costs can pour a non-certified synthetic into your engine, charge you Dexos prices, and hand back the keys. Your engine runs fine for months. But over time, non-certified oil accumulates deposits faster in the passages that feed your lifters and variable valve timing actuators. On FM engines, those deposits accelerate exactly the lifter wear that produces the $5,000 quote from Scam 2. And if you ever make a warranty claim for engine damage, GM can deny it on the grounds that non-Dexos oil was used, even though you paid for the right service and never knew you did not receive it. Protecting yourself takes one question. Ask the advisor to show you the oil container before the drain plug comes out. Look for the Dexos 1 Gen 2 certification mark printed on the label. If they are pouring from an unlabeled bulk drum, ask to see the drum's certification documentation. A reputable dealership has it on file. One running a bait and switch does not. The next scam is one of the oldest tricks in the book, but with a Chevy-specific twist that makes it impossible to catch unless you know what to look for. Scam number 4. The phantom cabin air filter replacement. This scam runs at Chevy service centers as consistently as anywhere in the industry. You bring your Silverado, Tahoe, or Equinox in for a routine oil change. The advisor returns with a photo showing a filthy cabin air filter and tells you it needs replacing immediately. The quote is $60 to $80 for the part and labor. Here is what they usually skip. First, that photo may not be your filter. Some service centers keep a supply of dirty filters specifically to show customers. They will not let you see the one pulled from your actual vehicle unless you specifically ask. Second, on most Chevy trucks and SUVs, this is a 5-minute job with 0 tools. On the Silverado, it sits behind the glove box. On the Tahoe and Suburban, it is accessible from under the dash. Slide it out. Slide a new one in. The filter costs $12 to $20 at any auto parts store. Third, and this completes the scam, in many cases they charge you for the replacement and never perform it. The original filter stays in the truck. You have no way of knowing unless you check it yourself after you get home. When the advisor shows you the photo, ask to see the actual filter pulled from your specific vehicle before authorizing the replacement. Ask to be standing there when it comes out. A legitimate service center will not hesitate. If they push back or stall on that request, you have your answer. Then go to any auto parts store, buy the correct filter for your model for under $20, and do it yourself in under 5 minutes. That is $60 back in your pocket every single time this comes up. The next scam is the most dangerous one on this list, and it is one most owners never see coming. Quick pause. 4 scams in, and dealerships have already charged you for TSB-covered repairs that should have been free, quoted $5,000 for a tick that a $30 module fixes, swapped your Dexos oil for uncertified bulk without telling you, and billed you for a cabin filter they never touched. Hit like and subscribe right now. 3 more coming up, including the counterfeit parts scam that is a genuine safety risk on the road, and the transmission adaptive relearn fee some dealers charge $300 for while your truck handles it automatically in 15 minutes of normal driving. Let's keep going. Scam number 5. Counterfeit parts sold ASGM genuine or ACDelco. This is the most dangerous scam on this list. Not the most expensive, the most dangerous. The Automotive Anti-Counterfeiting Council estimates fake automotive parts cost the United States more than $3 billion every year. And Chevrolet vehicles are among the most heavily targeted because of the specific, high-value components that go into them. Counterfeit AFM lifter assemblies are being sold through unverified channels and installed into 5.3 V8 engines packaged identically to genuine ACDelco parts, stamped with fake part numbers with no quality control behind them. Counterfeit lifters do not hold up to the pressure cycling of the AFM system. They collapse prematurely, contaminate the oil with metal debris, and when metal moves through a 5.3 oiling system, it does not stop at the lifter. It reaches the camshaft, the bearings, and the oil pump pickup screen. The repair bill goes from a $4,000 lifter job to a $9,000 engine. Counterfeit ACDelco oil filters look identical to the genuine part. The packaging matches, the part number matches, but the filter media inside is cheaper, the bypass valve opens at lower pressure, and every cold start your engine runs on unfiltered oil longer than it should. Counterfeit brake pads perform acceptably in normal driving and fail unpredictably under hard braking. The failure is not gradual, it is sudden. For any repair involving GM genuine parts or ACDelco components, ask to see the unopened packaging before the part goes near your vehicle. Genuine ACDelco high-value parts carry a holographic security label. If the packaging looks off, if questions about sourcing get deflected, or if the price is noticeably lower than it should be, those are warning signs you cannot afford to ignore. The few dollars saved from an unverified seller are not worth the engine or the safety risk behind them. The next scam quietly pulls hundreds out of your wallet, and most Chevy owners never notice it on the invoice. Scam number 6. The transmission adaptive relearn charge. This scam is clean, technical sounding, and almost impossible to challenge if you do not know how Chevy transmissions actually work. After a service visit, a battery replacement, or a software update, the advisor tells you your transmission needs an adaptive relearn or transmission calibration to restore proper shift quality. The quote is $150 to $300. It sounds reasonable. Here is what actually needs to happen. 15 minutes of normal driving. Every modern Chevrolet automatic transmission has a transmission control module that stores learned shift patterns, pressure values, and engagement timing calibrated to your specific driving habits. When battery power is lost, that learned data resets to factory baseline. The transmission relearns your patterns automatically as you drive normally. Light acceleration, steady highway speeds, moderate braking. It rebuilds its own adaptive data without any tools, software, or dealer involvement whatsoever. The adaptive relearn procedure some dealers charge $300 for is, in many cases, the service advisor driving your truck around the block once. Or in some cases, charging for it and doing nothing at all, knowing the transmission handles it on its own before you notice any shift quality difference. There are legitimate situations where a technician with a scan tool needs to reset or recalibrate a transmission. After a solenoid replacement, a valve body service, or a TCM replacement, there is genuine diagnostic work involved, and a charge is justified. But after a routine battery change or software update, that is not a service. That is a timer and a parking lot. If a dealer quotes this, ask them to describe exactly what procedure they are performing and what specific scan tool data they need to access to justify the charge. If the answer is vague, decline it and drive the truck normally. The transmission will handle it for free. The last scam targets a growing segment of the current Chevy lineup that most owners do not realize is at risk. Scam number 7. The induction service scam on direct injection Chevys. This scam targets owners of newer Chevrolets with direct injection engines. The turbocharged Silverado 4-cylinder, the Equinox, the Trailblazer, the turbocharged Colorado. Here's the technical background. Older port injection engines spray fuel onto the intake valves with every cycle, and that fuel wash naturally keeps the valves clean. Direct injection sprays fuel directly into the combustion chamber instead, which improves efficiency but means the intake valves never receive that cleaning. Over time, carbon deposits build up on the back of the valves. At high mileage, this is a real issue that causes rough idle, hesitation, and reduced power. The legitimate fix is walnut blasting. A technician removes the intake manifold and blasts crushed walnut shell media through the intake ports to physically strip deposits off the valve faces. It takes several hours and costs $350 to $500 at a reputable shop. Done properly, it works. Here's the scam. Many Chevy dealerships offer an induction cleaning service for $150 to $250 that sprays a chemical cleaner through the throttle body while the engine runs. That chemical reaches the combustion chamber. It does not reach the back of the intake valves in any meaningful quantity. It cleans 0% of the actual carbon buildup problem on a direct injection engine. You pay for a service that does not address what needed addressing, and the advisor presented it as the solution. If your direct injection Chevy genuinely needs carbon buildup addressed, ask specifically for a walnut blast procedure, and ask for before and after photos of the intake ports. If the shop cannot perform that service, find one that can, and check your mileage before spending anything. Most direct injection Chevys do not develop significant buildup until 80,000 to 100,000 miles. If a dealer recommends this at 30,000 miles, that is a sale, not a service recommendation. So the next time you pull into a Chevy dealership, remember this: most of these scams do not survive a single informed question. Ask to see the parts before installation. Ask exactly what procedure you are paying for. Ask whether a TSB covers it. And if anything feels off, get a second opinion before you hand over your money. Hit like and subscribe. Drop a comment below with the scam that hit closest to home. I will see you in the next one.